President Cyril Ramaphosa intends to establish a commission of inquiry into delays in investigations and prosecutions of TRC cases. The decision is a response to a lawsuit filed by 20 people impacted by the murder, torture and abductions meted out by apartheid security forces. Through this commission, the president is determined that the true facts be established and that the matter brought to finality. Joining us now is the Presidency's spokesperson, Vincent Magwenya. Mr. Magwenya, very good afternoon to you. Thanks very much for your time. Take us through, if you will, the rationale behind going for this option. And I'm asking this because there has been criticism, especially on the back of your state capture commissions of inquiry, that this commissions at the end of the day do not yield quite the results that people would expect would expect rather.
Well, Vuyo, as you know, this matter predates the 7th administration, even the 6th administration. It's an issue that has been of concern for some time, and an issue that has caused a lot of anguish and frustration for the victims' families, and allegations of improper influence or delay in the investigation or prosecution of apartheid-era crimes have been there for quite some time. And so the president, appreciating the need for closure, in consultation with the families and in agreement with the families, will be setting up this commission of inquiry that will look at all of these allegations as well as other related matters with respect to the allegations that have been made regarding either the delay or improper influence around the decisions of investigation and prosecution. And so this is a decision that has the support of the victims' families themselves, and it's a decision that they've been party to. There is one issue of dispute, which the families feel that they must still seek a court order on. For us as a government, those issues are issues that we believe can be settled within the scope of the Commission of Inquiry.
Let's start with the suspicions or allegations of improper delays, interference, improper influence, and the like. Did the president at any point get any, shall we say, a form of report, say, from your NPAs and other parties as to whether, in fact, or to get a sense of whether there was indeed any prima facie evidence suggesting that such could be true, and then, hence, after consultations with the affected parties, then decided on this course of action? Was that exercise conducted at any point, even though it may not have been a full-on investigation?
Well, there have been discussions within government with respect to this matter, Vuyo, and the position that the NPA has put forward, without me coming across as if I'm speaking on their behalf, is that there was no improper influence or deliberate delay or even attempts to frustrate an investigation or prosecutions for that matter. The NPA points out to previous cases as well as other inquests that have been initiated relating to apartheid-era crimes. And so with that, and with the families holding a firm view that they believe that there was such improper influence, the president felt that, well, let's have a platform that will investigate these matters openly and transparently, and all issues can then be carefully considered from then onwards.
Talk to us then about the disputes you were referring to. How major are they, and don't they have the potential as well to delay things or processes further?
Well, Vuyo, as you know, the families are seeking an order of unlawfulness with respect to the allegations of improper influence and delay in the investigation or prosecution of apartheid era crimes. They're also seeking constitutional damages in that regard. And our view is that all of those issues can be better managed and better dealt with within the ambit and scope of the Commission of Inquiry. The president respects the right of the families to approach the courts. However, from our point of view as a government, we will be seeking that those matters be paused until the commission has concluded its work. And so we'll be seeking to stay those matters until the commission has concluded its work and take the matters from there.
The statement says the presidency will shortly make an announcement on who is going to head the inquiry as well as time frames. Do you have any other information to share beyond what you're able to say in the statement released earlier?
Well, we're close to reaching finality on the individual that will be tasked with the duty to lead and head this commission, as well as all other related resources that will be attached to the commission. So as soon as we finalize the matters, we will then make an announcement on the personnel, if you like, that will assist the commission, including the head of the commission, as well as the full terms of reference.
Okay, that's all going to leave it for today. Thank you very much for your time. Vincent Magwenya, who is the spokesperson and advisor to the president, following, of course, the release of that statement earlier today that the president has decided to establish a commission of inquiry into delays in investigating and prosecuting TRC cases, a matter that's been with us for many, many years. Your Biko families of the Craddock Four, your Timol families, so many families who have really been talking about and raising awareness around this issue. Hopefully, finally, this step begins to deal with their concerns, but also begins to address the various issues that have been that they have been raising over the years. And the commission itself does indeed take off sooner rather than later, and hopefully gets to be concluded within a very short space of time.